So, in the mail today, we got this package. Going to show you what's inside of it. My brother called the other day. He'd been out antiquing, which he has a lot of interest in. He finds a lot of really cool stuff. He's noticed this handy toolbox on our bench, and he found one similar, so he sent it out for Benjamin to use here in the shop. So I'm going to open it up today and show you what he found. See what we got here. We'll just run through all these packaging. Obviously, it's packaged real well. So let's cut through all those. Let's cut through this. He told me basically what it was, but we still get the surprise, like opening a Christmas present, to see what's actually inside. Okay, let's see what's in here. Obviously, lots of good packing materials. We'll save those and use those later on. Pretty cool. If that's what you use for curtains in your house, you have very bad taste. Let's open this up, see where we're at here. Boy, it must be made of glass or something, because this is packed really well. Come on. I know you can do this. I know we can get this open. Come apart, come apart. We're getting there. I can hear it rattling in there. Man, look at all those shelf liners. Good packing stuff. Brother Jeff. That's really cool. He must be used to packing glass, because he collects a lot of really neat glass stuff. Here we go, here we go. Look at this. Right there, we got the handy fix-it kit. Handy on the toolbox there. Handy on the box back there. Isn't that cool? Young guy's fixing his toolbox or his bicycle there with his tools. More stuff inside. Wow, look at the inside of this. Look at the inside of that toolbox. Isn't that cool? Some kid probably back in the 50s or 60s got that as a gift and had the neatest thing. There's a little level in there. Got some other little tools in here. He's got a zigzag ruler in there. That's an old Lufkin. That's really cool. Zigzag ruler. Isn't that cool? Benjamin is going to get such a kick out of this. I guess I should have waited and opened it up in here, and an old-fashioned tri-square.
That matches yours.
That matches some of the ones that we've already got here in the shop. So right there, a really cool, handy fix-it toolkit. So we'll go about filling this up with an assortment of tools for Benjamin in his workshop. I gave him a Workbench a little while back, so now he's going to have a toolbox to put on it. So the handy genuine blue diamond tools, handy fix-it kit. Isn't that cool? Thank you, Jeff, for finding that and sending it out. Benjamin is going to get the biggest kick out of that. He'll be in here this weekend working in the shop a little bit, and we'll present it to him and let him take it home and put it on his own workbench. So that's really cool. Way back in, like I said, the 50s or 60s when these came out, some little kid that got this for Christmas, or they got this one for Christmas or for their birthday, really had gotten something neat that they would keep for the remainder of their life. This particular one's got a whole bunch of woodworking tools in it. All the original ones that came with it. This one's got more tools in there. We'll probably put some mechanic tools in here. Benjamin's a big fan of riding bicycles. We'll put bicycle repair tools in there for him. So cool. There you've got it. We got a package in the mail, and it was kind of like having Christmas here in the shop. And I want to specifically thank my brother Jeff for being so kind and considerate and thinking of Benjamin and the time he spends here in the shop by sending him his own handy little cool Mr. Fix-It toolbox. What a great thing for the guy to have. Benjamin's going to love it. I can't wait to show it to him probably when he gets back from school today. So, yeah, we didn't let Benjamin open it up because we just couldn't wait. You know how that goes. So, cool. And Jeff, thank you so much, man. I greatly appreciate it. Benjamin's going to get a huge kick out of this.